name is Craft Studio, and our group decided the name because we wanted a name that states exactly what people want to see in this app.
Craft Studio is for everyone who likes to make, design, and create things. Craft Studio is an app that helps you create DIYs out of things you are no longer using.
You just take a picture of whatever the object is, and then it will give you a list of things to make out of the object. It will show people your creative side.
We have 4 7th graders named Pilar, Olivia, Ava, and Catherine.
The problems we are addressing: environment and education. Craft Studio helps people find new ways to reuse materials and create amazing things. We see this as a big problem in California. There is so much trash thrown out that can be used as an art material for upcycling. Upcycling is when trash is used to create new things out of the original object. We live in a developed country, but that comes with a cost.
That cost is there is so much trash that has no value. Unlike the US, many other countries have no trash scattered on the roads. Pilar went to Vietnam and said she saw no trash at all. Maybe that's because Americans produce more trash than any other country.
The average American produces 4 pounds of trash each day. That means that over the course of 1 year, we use over 1,600 pounds of trash. We also use 69 million tons of paper and cardboard per year. But you can save this paper and cardboard. If you save 1 ton of paper, you save 15 trees. We also use so much paper and plastic cups, forks, and spoons that per year that we can circle the equator 300 times with all of it. By recycling 1 ton of paper, we save enough energy to heat a home for 6 months.
Craft Studio helps address this problem by having people reuse things, so they don't end up throwing it away. One example of this is when Ava reused a yogurt cup to make a storage cup for her pencils.
Marin County has a target goal of 0 waste by 2025. People can try buying less packaged food, but it is very hard. We have chosen to use lightweight packaging for our DIY ideas because it contains fewer materials, which reduces energy needed to make it.
This is an important function of our app, that there is a camera that allows people to have projects narrowed to a couple of ideas for the projects. We also have social media so people can view other people's ideas and styles.
We would want to have ads and a shopping list to make a profit and attract revenue. There are lots of apps for upcycling clothing and furniture. Some of our competitions are YouTube and Pinterest, but they don't focus on problems or crafts.
Our target customers is to people who love the earth and people who like crafts. At our school, we have some monitoring on what goes on in the trash cans. This shows how aware people are of the growing problem. Cups and forks are the most common things that are thrown away in the trash cans.
We have to clean up our earth today. It's better to start now than later.
We asked friends in the target age range of our app for feedback on our idea. People said they would want it to make gifts for others, to make something for themselves, and for the holidays.
People like simple apps with no grammar mistakes and something that is fun and addictive with lots of pictures. They said it needed to be fun, entertaining, and that it needed to be beneficial, purposeful, and interactive. We took all these ideas into consideration to make Craft Studio.
Bye!